Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty essentials that make a real difference in your routine. You know those moments when you just need a quick hair fix before heading out? No time for a full styling session, but you still want that polished finish? That's where today's product steps in. The Jose Eber Petite 1/2 inch flat iron. It's a compact styling tool designed for travel, quick touch-ups, and precision styling, especially on short hair or bangs. This petite flat iron features 1/2 inch floating ceramic plates that heat up to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit, or roughly 93 degrees Celsius. Ceramic plates are known for even heat distribution, which minimizes hot spots and helps protect the hair's cuticle from unnecessary damage. The floating design gives flexibility and control, making it easier to glide through strands without tugging. It's dual voltage too, so whether you're styling in New York or Paris, you're good to go. Using it feels surprisingly intuitive despite its small size. It's lightweight, folds neatly, and fits perfectly in a carry-on or even a handbag. During testing, I found it ideal for refreshing a few pieces around the face, tidying up bangs, or smoothing frizz near the crown. It's not meant for a full head of thick hair, but for on-the-go touch-ups, it truly shines. One thing I appreciated was how fast it heats up. Within a minute or two, it's ready to use. Handy when you're on the move. The plates glide smoothly, and because of their petite size, you can get close to the roots, which is perfect for creating lift or straightening shorter styles. However, if you have very dense or long hair, the smaller plates will make the process a bit time-consuming. Is this review helpful so far? If it is, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this right here on Beautyistic. Now, for the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Jose Eber Petite Flat Iron is incredibly portable, dual voltage, heats evenly, and works beautifully for travel or quick styling. Its precision control on small sections is excellent. On the downside, it's not powerful enough for thicker or longer hair, and the lack of adjustable heat settings might limit its versatility for some users. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's fairly priced for what it offers. You're paying for compact convenience and reliable ceramic performance, not a high-powered salon tool. For frequent travelers or anyone who wants a reliable touch-up companion, the investment makes sense. When comparing it to similar travel-sized options, it feels sturdier than some of the cheaper mini irons that can snag or heat unevenly. However, if you're looking for a lower-priced alternative, the Conair Mini Pro Ceramic Straightener offers a similar travel-friendly design, though it doesn't feel quite as refined in build. The overall build quality of the Jose Eber Petite is excellent. The folding design is secure, the hinge feels solid, and the ceramic plates maintain smooth performance after multiple uses. Longevity-wise, this feels like a tool that will hold up well with proper care. Just be sure to let it cool before folding it away. Customer service from Jose Eber has a good reputation, and while I haven't needed to reach out personally, the brand is known for being responsive to warranty claims and inquiries, which adds confidence to the purchase. So, final thoughts. The Jose Eber Petite 1/2 inch flat iron isn't trying to replace your full-size straightener. It's designed to complement it. If you have short hair, travel often, or need something quick for those last-minute touch-up moments, this little tool delivers. But if your hair is thick or long, you'll likely want something more powerful for full styling sessions. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this petite flat iron, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. You'll find the purchase link in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.